Hello, good morning friends. Myself Jatin Dave from Asapura School and welcome all of you. Dear students, this is our continuing 9th video from the lesson number 6, lines and angles. And once again, we are going to discuss in this proper video some axioms and theorems statement. So first of all, we are going to continue some axioms. First, 6.1. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 108. Look here. Please see the board carefully. Here the line L is the given line and angle AOB and angle BOC are the adjacent angles. So the two adjacent angles is formed 180. So here the two adjacent angles form the linear pair of angle and sum of the linear pair of angle is 180. So therefore we can say that if the ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180. Now the converse of the 6.1. If the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180, इससे उल्टा चलते हैं. अगर जो दो adjacent angle का sum 180 है, then the non-common arms of the angles form the line. तो यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं non-common arms OA and OC. They forms the line AOC. Okay, now 6.2. If the transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of the corresponding angles is equal. यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं L and N are the parallel lines, or it is also said that line AB and line CD. PQ is our transversal, which is intersect any line at E and CD line at N. Therefore, there forms the many of angles, pair of angles. One type of angles is called the pair of the corresponding angles. So here, angle 1 and 5 is the corresponding pair of angle, 2 and 6 is corresponding pair of angle, 3 and 7 is corresponding pair of angle, and 4 and 8 is corresponding pair of angles. So axiom 3 says if the transversal intersect the two parallel lines and then each pair of the corresponding angles is equal. That means here angle 1 equal to 5, 2 equal to 6, 4 equal to 8 and 3 equal to 7. Axiom number 4. If the transversal intersect two lines and that the pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines is parallel. इससे उल्टा है, इसका converse. अगर जो pair of corresponding angles equal है, that means if the 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7 or 4 and 8 are our pair of the corresponding angles, and secondly, if angle 1 is equal to angle 5, 2 is equal to angle 6, 3 is equal to angle 7 and 4 is equal to angle 8, then we can say that here, then the two lines, line L and M is the parallel to each other. Now, we understand some theorem statement. So first of all, 6.2. If the transversal intersect two parallel lines transversal intersect कर रही है, then each pair of alternative interior angles is equal. Interior angles यहाँ पर equal मिलेंगे. किस तरह से? First one, pair of interior angles is AEFB. That means angle 4 and angle 6 is called the pair of alternative interior angles. Second pair of the alternative interior angles is BEFEFC. That means angle 3 and angle 5. So here two pair of the alternative interior angles is angle 3 and 5, angle 4 and 6. In this case, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Now 6.3. The transversal intersect two lines such as a pair of alternative interior angles is equal, then the two lines is parallel. ये इसका converse statement है. अगर जो alternative interior angles की pair 4 and 6 and 3 and 5 मतलब ये हुआ कि ट्रांसवर्सल जिस दो लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, दैट मींस दैट लाइन L and M is the parallel lines. Now statement number 6.4. If the transversal intersects two parallel lines, then which pair of the interior angles on the same side of a transversal is the supplementary? यहाँ पर angle 3 and angle 6 is called the interior angle of the same side. ठीक है, इसी तरह से angle 4 and angle 5 is also called interior angle of the same side formed by the transversal. So theorem 6.4 says, if the transversal intersect two parallel lines L and M and they forms the pair of interior angles of the same side 3 and 6, 4 and 5, if the sum of the angles, then the sum of the angles is 180. That means the sum of the angle is the supplementary. जिसका मतलब हुआ angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180, angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to 180. So we can write here angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180, and similarly angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to 180. One more step is the converse of the 6.4. If the transversal intersects two lines such that the pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, that means sum of the angle 3 plus 6 is equal to 180, 4 plus 5 is equal to 180, then we can say that here the two lines are parallel. That means line L parallel to line M. Dear students, ये था बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट 6.3 एक्सरसाइज को शुरू करने से पहले, जिसका पहला पार्ट. ओके, अगर जो आपने नोट डाउन नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए. कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट और बेसिक एक्सियम्स और स्टेटमेंट्स आपके सामने रखे हैं. यहाँ पर हमने 4 एक्सियम्स आपको अंडरस्टैंड के लिए दी हैं और 4 थियोरम्स स्टेटमेंट आपके सामने रखे हैं. आई होप सो यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल. दोनों फिगर्स के साथ हमने यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया. इससे आपने अच्छी तरह समझने की कोशिश की होगी और जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स थे इसे आपके नोट में नोट डाउन भी कर लिया होगी. इस उम्मीद के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए फिर से एक बार आपका धन्यवाद करते हुए थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बाय बाय.